In today's modern world of data, you either have easy and simple reports to create, or you have mountains of data that needs to be converted into actionable intel for business. Wouldn't it be great if you could find the story behind the numbers on your own? That's why we use Excel. In our Excel Beginner to Advanced courses, you will see how Excel is simply the best solution for reviewing and editing spreadsheets. Whether you are a scholar, a student, or working remotely, from home, and everywhere in between, as you start creating your Excel spreadsheets, or entering data in Excel. Excel recognizes patterns, so it can automatically fill in the remaining info for you. Once you have entered your data, Excel will help you to spot trends and patterns in your data, using data bars, spark lines, color coding, and icons. Excel even helps you summarize and illustrate your insights by recommending pre-made pivot tables and charts. And when you are all done, you can let others view or edit your work in the same time by saving to the cloud on OneDrive. You don't even need a PC, you just need a browser or the Excel mobile app. Learn how to uncover the story behind the numbers with Excel. Let's get started.